What's up, Scorpio? I'm the Central Healer. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all. Hopefully y'all are having a blessed and wonderful day. Amen. Always remember some things may or may not resonate. So take what resonates and leave the rest here, okay? Let's see. Hopefully y'all are having a blessed and wonderful day. Amen. Okay. So somebody is in this high priestess energy trying to manifest somebody's slowing down here. So somebody's trying to stop somebody, somebody's trying to slow somebody down. So somebody is on that energy. So I mean, like all the readings that I've done today, somebody's in this energy. So somebody is definitely trying to whip out their wand and trying to slow somebody down, of course, here. So okay. So, alrighty. Somebody's always trying to slow somebody down. Somebody can have car troubles as well. Amen. But somebody's definitely trying to slow somebody down from moving forward. We have the letter T. So, whoever has this T person, they're trying to slow somebody down here from moving forward. Somebody's using technology to do some shiznit as well. We got some twin boys that are involved in the situation as well. There's a hitman that done fell in love. Bloopers. There's a hitman that done fell in love with somebody here, okay? There's also a dirty lawyer here that's involved. We got somebody, there's a Kia. There's a psychiatrist or a doctor that's involved here. And, well, your enemy's got enemies. Your enemy's got enemies. So we have the letter T. Is somebody trying to slow this T person down? So this T person is trying to slow somebody down. So somebody with the letter T is trying to slow somebody down. Somebody's also using technology and gadgets how they shouldn't be, okay? They need to use them with wisdom, not without, okay? We got some twin boys that are involved. There's a hitman that doesn't sound love somebody as well, okay? There's a dirty lawyer and a psychiatrist or a doctor that's involved, and your enemy's got enemies, okay? We got the letter R coming out. Somebody was stolen at birth. Was this R person stolen at birth? Does this R person know this? Is this person an adult now? So somebody with letter R name was stolen at birth and they don't even know this. Somebody's also trying to block your money here, you guys. So you got the letter T. This person is definitely trying to slow somebody down here. Somebody's also using gadgets and technology to do this. What? Slow down. Okay, so we got some twin boys that are involved as well. There's a hitman that then fell in love with somebody here. There's a dirty lawyer. We got somebody, there's a Kia. We got a psychiatrist or doctor that's involved as well. And your enemy's got enemies, okay? We have the letter R. This person was stolen at birth and don't even know it, okay? Somebody's also trying to block your money as well. Somebody is trying to still send people into rape. You guys should be mindful of that. Always be aware of your surroundings, okay, as well. Okay? What do you got for Scorpio, please? I heard somebody's ratchet. Okay, somebody's doing a lot of mirror magic as well. Okay, so Spirit says somebody's ratchet. Wow, okay. So somebody's doing mirror magic and sending somebody in to rape somebody, so y'all be mindful of that. Okay, somebody also has some neighbors that are creeping around their house as well. Okay? Yeah, I've been hearing sirens all day. You definitely have friends of yours coming against you. Okay? You definitely have friends coming against you. that are about to be arrested. So you have friends coming against your so-called friends coming against you. Okay, they're about to be arrested though. Let's see if the energy in these cards have changed, because they've been pretty much the same for all the readings today, you guys. Somebody's always whipping out this wand to do some shiznit. Okay? Somebody's not in this Nine of Pentacles energy. They could be trying, that's what I'm saying, they could start trying to slow that down for somebody here. Okay, so somebody, was that supposed to be upside down, or am I having it the right way? Okay, no. So it's supposed to come out upright. That's I'm glad I have that. So somebody's in this Nine of Pentacles energy here. They're working hard, okay? They're moving forward. Somebody's moving forward, working hard, okay? Somebody could be traveling, you know, or waiting on something. What is this? The World? Okay, so somebody's, like I said, they're working hard. They're in this Nine of Pentacles energy. They're working hard, okay? And everything is coming full circle for this person. For somebody else, they're definitely binded to a situation. Somebody could have been trying to bind somebody else, and they bound themselves here, okay? Somebody may be going to jail as well, because, working together. Somebody could have definitely been trying to get somebody locked up. Somebody was working hard to keep somebody binded to a situation, like I said, because somebody does not want to give to them anymore, okay? Somebody can now be in hermit mode. There could be a Virgo that's involved as well. Yeah, somebody's trying to hold on to something here. Somebody's trying to hold on to something or somebody. Because somebody sees that somebody has the world in their hands, and they know this, so they're trying to keep themselves binded to somebody here. They're trying to keep themselves binded to somebody. Could be a Leo here. Could be a Queen of Cups and a Leo here. Somebody trying to keep somebody binded. Trying to hold on to them. Somebody stalking somebody as well. Yeah, somebody keeps standing their ground though. These people are exposed. Somebody's moving forward. They know it, but somebody's still trying to keep themselves binded to somebody, this person here. Somebody's trying to hold on for dear life, okay? After you walked away, somebody walked away from somebody, okay? They could have been playing seeds with somebody else here. This King of Pentacles, okay? And somebody's desperately trying to hold on to somebody after somebody done moved to calmer waters. Okay, so this reading wasn't that bad, okay? All the other readings I did, everybody was up in that devil energy. But somebody's still, waving their wand, trying to do some hocus pocus. But, I mean, this reading was better than the rest of them. Somebody's definitely trying to stay attached to somebody, though. Somebody's trying to stay attached to somebody and slow them down at the same time. So make it make sense. Okay? Alright, you guys. Let's see what we can get for you guys. Somebody wants to hold on to somebody. They want them to provide for them, but then they want to slow them down at the same time. Like, that's not how that works, y'all. That's not how that works. That's how they want it to work, but that's not how it works. Somebody could be doing love spells to call somebody in. Okay. Excuse me a minute. Somebody's got a black vehicle. Leo. Is Sherry this Leo? Does Sherry have a black vehicle? So we have Sherry that's a Leo and has a black vehicle. Okay, tell us about Sherry, this Leo with this black vehicle. Is Sherry the one with the black vehicle? And is the Leo. Okay. Is Sherry connected to Quintavia? Okay, so Sherry is also connected to somebody named Quintavia here, okay? Is this person also, okay, so we got Paige as well. This person's also connected. Okay, so we also have Julie as well. I just heard camaraderie. I don't know what that's what I just heard. I don't know why I can't say it just now. Is this person connected? Okay, so we have Isabella as well. So we have a Black Eagle, we have Leo, Sherry, Quintavia, Paige, Isabella, and Julie. Okay, somebody is a killer that is a child. Okay. The name of the killer that is a child is down here. Okay, is it Isabella? Is it Julie? Is it Paige? Quintavia? Sherry? So Isabella and Paige are children that are killers. Okay, so that's anywhere from age 0 to 28 years old. I gotta sneeze. Ooh! Amen. My bad. Okay, like what? I didn't have time to freeze it. So Paige and Isabella all these people are connected, but Paige and Isabella are connected. Yeah, somebody's doing a lot of mental magic. I can't. Okay. Is this G person connected? Is this a person that was killed? Is this person a killer that's a child as well? So if somebody has a letter G name. So we have Isabella, the letter G, and Paige. These are killers that are children, but all of these people are connected. Death. Did somebody physically pass away? Is the name of the person that passed away down here? Is it this G person? Is it Sherry? Is it Quintavia? Is it Julie? Is it Isabella? Is it Paige? Quintavia? Okay. The name of the person that passed away is down here. Is it Sherry? Quintavia? Paige? Julie? Isabella? So Isabella is the one that passed away. But Isabella was also a killer as a child, as long as with Paige as well and G as well. Were these people involved in the death of Isabella? Okay, so these people were involved in the death of Isabella as well. So they're all like killer children together, but they killed. Wow. Okay. Wow. Hold the phone. Is these people connected to Giovanni as well? Okay. Did Giovanni pass away? So all these people are connected, and they cause the death of somebody.